Yep. Let me sit this down, man. Y'all caught me pumping out. I had to actually put on the shirt and get ready for the VSB. Welcome to the hole here at my house. That's what we like to call it. And here we go with the video sports blog. Today we're not going to talk NBA, although there have been some huge trades lately in the NBA and a couple of key injuries, namely my man Josh Howard, who was just sent to the Wizards. He's out for the rest of the season, tore his ACL. We're not going to talk NFL, although the Eagles did release a key running back, Brian Westbrook, and Randy Moss says that he doesn't think he's going to be a New England Patriot past this season. We're not going to talk Major League Baseball, although my man Johnny Damon from the world champion Yankees did sign with the Detroit Tigers for 1 year, $8 million. Now, we're not going to talk about none of that. Today in sports, we're going to talk Winter Olympics. Yeah. 5 medal events are on today's Olympic schedule, highlighted by the men's giant slalom at Whistler. American skier Bode Miller, unfortunately, will not be able to add to his 3 medals. He failed to finish his opening run. 4 men's hockey games are on the schedule today at the Winter Olympics as the knockout rounds begin. It's on and popping. Switzerland and Belarus will take the ice first, with the winner set to play the top-seeded USA team. Yeah, you already know what it is. That's right. Canada, after its loss to the #1 American Sunday night, will face Germany for the right to take on Russia in the quarterfinals, which start tomorrow through the weekend. Now, on a sad note, the women's figure skating competition will have to start with a cloud over today. The mother of Canada's Joni Rochette died Sunday while in Vancouver. She came to watch her daughter go for the gold. Now, Rochette, who was a silver medal winner last year at the World Championships, is still going to skate in the short program. The Americans, the last time they didn't bring home a gold medal in this category was way back in 1964. And it could happen again because there's only 17-year-old Rachel Flatt, 16-year-old Mariah Naguchi, and Korea's Kim Yuna in the gold medal. She's the favorite because she won the World Championships last year. So we could see not a medal in this category, and that's pretty interesting. But, hey, man, tell the truth. The Winter Olympics have been really good this year, haven't they? They've been really riveting TV. I know I've been watching the whole thing, so that continues. We leave you on another sad note. Former New Jersey Nets, incredible rebounder, kind of good scorer, led the Nets when they were really a contender in the NBA. He was sentenced to what is it, 8 years? 5 years? 8 years in prison for accidentally shooting his limousine driver 8 years ago. I take that back. 5 years in prison for accidentally shooting his limousine driver 8 years ago. This case has been dragged on for years, and let that be a lesson to you. If you got money, namely NBA moolah, you could drag out a court case for years and years. Look what R. Kelly was able to do with his child pornography case. This is how, if you got money, you could drag this out. Finally, they put this chapter behind him. They sentenced the man. He's going to do about 18 months in jail. Then he'll be eligible for parole. He apologized to the family of the man who he killed and to his own family and friends, and so we close the book on that chapter. Hey, tomorrow, good news. Maybe we will talk some NFL, some NBA, some Major League Baseball. Until then, man, I got to get back to my workout. Got to get back, boy. Got to get the track right, baby. You know what it is, y'all. 1. Actually, that's 2. Peace. Let me put this thing down so I can turn the camera on. I'm getting big, son.